Let's talk about small insects of disease. Here we will talk about small insect which carries diseases and they are called carrier. There are some insects and animal which act as carrier of disease causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta, etc. Pathogen which are present on the garbage and animal excreta stick to the body of these housefly, and when these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogen to that uncovered food. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick, so it is advisable to always keep food covered. Avoid consuming uncovered item of food. Another example of carrier is the female Anopheles mosquito, which is a carrier of malaria fever, and female Aedes mosquito act as carrier of dengue virus. Dengue fever is caused by this virus. All mosquito breed in water, as you know very well. Hence, one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Try to make a list of measures which help to avoid the spread of malaria. Now we will talk about this table. Here in first column some human diseases are given, and in the next column some microorganisms are given which are the cause of the disease, and my mode of transmission, either air, physical contact, water or other is given, and in the last column preventive measures are given, how we can prevent the particular disease. First one is tuberculosis. The causative microorganism is bacteria and mode of transmission air. Next it is measles caused by virus and mode of transmission is air. Next it is chickenpox and it is caused by virus and transmitted by air or physical contact. Next it is polio and it is caused by air or water. The preventive measures for these all are: keep the person or patient in complete isolation, keep the personal belonging of the patient away from those of other, vaccination to be given at suitable age. Next is cholera, which is caused by bacteria, and water and food is the mode of transmission. Next it is typhoid, it is caused by bacteria again, and mode of transmission is water. The preventive measure for both are: maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits, consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water, and vaccination. The next it is hepatitis A. It is caused by a virus, and water is the mode of transmission. Measures are: drink boiled drinking water and vaccination. Next it is malaria. It is caused by a protozoa and causative mode of transmission is mosquito, and measures are: use mosquito net and repellents, spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surrounding. Disease causing microorganisms in plants. Here we will talk about some diseases which is caused by the microorganisms in plants. Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and others. The diseases reduce the yield of crop. They can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. Here it is a table. Some plant diseases are given in first column, and the causative microorganisms in the next table, and mode of transmission. First is citrus canker. It is caused by bacteria and mode of transmission is air. Next it is rust of wheat, and microorganism which is cause of this disease in the wheat is fungi, and mode of transmission is air or seeds. Next, it is yellow vein of mosaic bhindi or okra. It is caused by virus, and mode of transmission is insects. This is all about today's session, and in the next session we will talk about more about microorganisms.